Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to unbox and showcase this product here, which is the Quesera Ceramide Ampoule from The Plant Base. This is actually their p.lab line. And The Plant Base is a clean Korean skincare brand that is focused on harnessing the nutritive power of plants in their skincare. Everything from the product to the packaging is eco-friendly here, and there's a lot of great things about this particular product. I received this product courtesy of the YesStyle affiliate program, where I get to try out a new product each month, but there were a few things that drew me to this product, mainly the ingredients. This product is made up of an impressive 69% rice extract. In fact, it's listed as the first ingredient right here. Also a blend of 5 ceramides, as well as a proprietary ingredient called Inflax that is made up of various plant extracts to deliver antioxidant properties to this product. Ceramides are a powerhouse ingredient in your skincare. It's something I constantly use, and it is something that naturally occurs in one of the top layers of our skin, but as we age, our skin loses the ability to produce it as efficiently, so our actual supply diminishes. But the great thing about ceramides is they help with elasticity and fullness of our skin. They help your skin looking and feeling great and keep the moisture in. So this is something you definitely want to be adding back in, and this is a great way to do this. This is a nice hefty ampoule. It's a creamy formula. This is something I can apply morning and night, and because ceramides play well with actives, I can put it on after vitamin C, after retinol, after any of my AHAs, so I can really use it all different times of day. You can kind of see the texture here, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand to show you just how great it feels in the moisture. So I put some on. You can kind of see it's very milky. I'm going to rub it in, and my hand feels great, but one of the great things about this is it's not greasy feeling, so it's giving a really nice hydration, and it's going to lock in moisture. So ceramides really help to lock in moisture, and that's one of the ways it helps with kind of that full plump look to your skin. So I've rubbed it in. You can see it's not greasy. My hand just looks very well moisturized. In fact, this is the other one, and it feels great. So I can't wait to start applying this and incorporate it into my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this product or if you've tried any other products from p.lab. I'm excited to discover what else they have to offer. And don't forget to like, comment, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.